Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening your chosen recorder and confirming output folder and format. Connect and select your microphone, then run a quick level check so voice peaks around -6 to -12 dB. Once done, set screen resolution and frame rate. 16:9 and 3060 FPS are common. Make sure system sound is routed if you need app audio. You're initiating recording now. Arm the recorder, select full screen or window capture, and prepare to hit record. Now focus on sources and audio clarity. Add your display or window, then add audio input for the mic and audio output for system sounds. Use a noise suppression filter to reduce hiss and apply a small gain only if levels are low. Avoid clipping. Position the microphone and check distance, 6-12 inches for most mics. Set hotkeys for start/stop and pause so you don't need the cursor. Once configured, run a 10-20 second test recording and listen back. You're ready to record the full session. Hit the hotkey and work steadily. Monitor CPU, GPU, and disk usage to prevent dropped frames. When done, stop recording and immediately review the clip for audio sync and glitches. Trim mistakes in a simple editor, then export as MP4 with H. 264 for compatibility. If you notice lag or stutter, lower bitrate or resolution, or switch from software to hardware encoder. This one tip usually fixes performance issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.